Rollblock early investors expect 810% pre-sale gains as it repeatedly hits ATHs. As the crypto market closed yesterday, certain projects gained exponentially, while digital assets like Polygon, POL, and Notcoin, slumped the day before the U.S. election. Amidst this, Rollblock, RBLK, is making its mark in the pre-sale by hitting all-time highs consecutively. The low market cap token raised $5 million in record time in its present sale. While Notcoin went down 13% over the last month, Polygon declined by 14.5%. Not has been hovering around the $0.0075 mark for 2 months now, with fluctuations on both sides. At times, it dunked below the $0.0064 support level. Despite being one of the most successful Telegram games with more than 40 million players, Notcoin suffered this setback. This has raised questions about the future of game-based tokens, as Hamster Combat is also facing the same situation. Many crypto analysts have indicated that Bitcoin's downfall is probably because of Toncoin's recent decline, as the platform is the base operative layer for NOT. Meanwhile, Polygon slid to the 40-cent support level as the token decreased 4.5% in intraday sales to trade at 32 cents on November 4th. This downfall in Polygon's price is due to the bearish trend in Ethereum L2 blockchains. Similar disruptions are happening in Optimism and Arbitrum networks. Earlier in September, the POL token was introduced after its native token Matic was rebranded. This resulted in a wider set of functions in the Polygon ecosystem, like participation in data availability committees, DCAs, zero-knowledge proof generation and block generation. But that didn't make any difference as the downward trend of Polygon continued. Amidst this, Rollblock has emerged as a crypto solution for the gambling industry, as it makes a significant amount of the $450 billion. This crypto option seeks to solve the security, transparency, and reliability issues of the online gaming industry, which has led to the $5 million money raised in the pre-sale. Rollblock's tamper-proof and traceable transactions have made it more acceptable in the online gambling industry, as seen in 20,000 gamblers opting for it. The project already has several games waiting for release along with its upcoming crypto token, making it a good option for those who want to bet on traditional casino games and novel AI-powered games. Rollblock will also introduce sports betting in the coming months, which will boost its RBLK token. The revenue-sharing RBLK token will have weekly open market buybacks where 60% of them will be burned to create deflation pressure. This is likely to ensure sustainable growth of the Rollblock crypto. The 40% of RBLK tokens remaining will be allocated within the community as recurring staking rewards for up to 30% APY. Yesterday, Rollblock sold 70% of its tokens in the Stage 7 of the resale. The early crypto investors, who bagged the $0.033 price token, are expecting 210% gains from it. When the RBLK token hits the market amidst the bullish run in 2025, the price will multiply massively. The price is likely to spike 810% by the end of the pre-sale.